If you're planning to start a business in Indiana, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Indiana even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in Indiana? Well, for one, you have limited liability protection. That means your personal finances like your home or savings are better protected if your business runs into trouble. Of course, you have a pass-through taxation. With this, instead, earnings pass directly to the owners and are reported on personal tax returns, helping you avoid double taxation and keep more of what you earn. And then, of course, you have a flexible management. You can choose how your business is managed, whether by members or appoint managers. Last is going to be Indiana offers a business-friendly environment with a relatively low taxes and a streamlined registration process. The state makes it easier for entrepreneurs to launch, operate, and grow their business. Another important step is choosing a name for your Indiana LLC. Now, your LLC name must be unique in Indiana, including limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. Now, it should not include restricted words like bank, government, bureau, or insurance unless approved. Now, if you have a desired name and you want to check the name availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Indiana Secretary of State Business Search. Of course, you need to enter your desired LLC name. If no matching results appear, your name is available. But if you're not ready to file your LLC just yet, you can reserve your business name in Indiana for up to 120 days, which is going to be around $20 as the filing fee. Reserving your name is a smart move because it prevents other businesses from using it while you're still planning, making sure your name is available when you're ready to form your LLC. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every Indiana LLC must have a registered agent because they are the ones that receives the legal and state documents. They must have a physical Indiana address and of course must be available during business hours. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do so provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But if I were you, you can, of course, appoint a friend or a family member, or better yet, hire a professional registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, since they handle all the paperwork for you. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by filing the Articles of Organization. All you have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the Indiana Secretary of State website. There is going to be a filing fee of $95, which is required at the time of submission. Now, these are some of the information required for filing. The full approved name of your limited liability company, of course, the principal business address where your LLC will be primarily conducted, contact information and physical address of your designated registered agent, a statement confirming the LLC is being formed under Indiana business states. Indiana does not legally require an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended because, for one, An operating agreement defines ownership and responsibilities. It helps avoid disputes, protects your LLC status. You can create one yourself or use an online template or service. Having said all of that, next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now that your Indiana LLC is officially formed, there are a few final legal requirements you'll need to take care to stay compliant. Number one is going to be the Indiana state taxes. So for example, if you collect sales tax or have employees, you must register for Indiana state taxes. So this is done by filing the Form BT1 within the Indiana Department of Revenue. Okay, so completing this step ensures you're properly set up to handle sales tax, withholding tax, and other state tax obligations. Next is the business licenses and permits. Now, depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain local, state, or business licenses and permits. And then last is going to be the biennial reports. Now, to keep your LLC in good standing, Indiana requires LLCs to file this biennial report. It updates your business information and confirms your LLC is still active. Missing this filing can lead to penalties or even admin dissolution. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Indiana. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple. And let's begin with the order section. This is what you are purchasing from Northwest. So it shows the service you have selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, which is in Indiana, and the total cost before payment. So think of it as your checkout overview. The company section is where you collect the basic details about your business, including the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, and if you want to use a generic business purpose, you can do that. And then if you don't want, you can simply type in what you wanted and use the physical address. So this section is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the management section is where you define how your LLC is going to be run. So you can choose from a member manage, which means the owners like you runs the business. And if you want to hire a manager manage to run the business for you. Now, if you don't sure what type to use, all I have to do is click the question mark button here, because this helps to determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you wanted to add any members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry, Northwest keeps this information private. After that is going to be the contact section, where all your contact information is stored. Provide your name, phone number, email address if it's applicable in your country. Of course, this information, don't worry, is not made public, but it is used to notify you of legal documents and sending filing updates. Now, speaking of account setup, you have this section that creates your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details. Once you've done that, this account lets you access all state documents, receive compliance alerts, and of course, view scanned bill and legal notices. Now, if you wanted to have an added service for the business identity, you can do that, which is free for 90 days. It helps you establish your LLC's official identity. Now, if you want to add more services along the way, you can choose from any of the following: tax ID, S corporation. But if you don't want all of these, you can safely skip if you prefer to handle them by yourself. Last is going to be the payment information. Before you complete your order, provide your credit or debit card details, review the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Indiana, which is a smart and straightforward move for entrepreneurs looking for strong legal protection and long-term flexibility. For as long as you choose a compliant LLC name, appoint a reliable registered agent, file your articles of organization, and keep up with biennial reports, your LLC can remain in good standing and positioned for growth. So take action today and get your LLC registered and start building with the business with confidence. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.